Angikulotshise laleli singaphakathi kweTalita Kum News Report FM. Singaphakathi kwehlelo Inspirational Drive Show. Namhlanje siphathele isihloko esihlukile. Isihloko esizokukhuthaza, isihloko esizokupha ulwazi olungeneleleko ngale nkulumo esizoyiphatha namhlanje. Zilungiselele. Ubize nosehlanu kwakho naye azilungiselele ukwazi ukuthi nilithole leli lwazi enilidingayo. Angikhambi ngedwa, nginesithekeli, a guest, ngelimi lesiyeni, ngelimi elijwayelekileko. Ngizokwazisa yena nangibuyako njenganje ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala. Isupport osipha yona qobe kulilanga siTalita Kum News Report FM. Liqakatheke kakhulu kwamambala ngoba ngaphandle kwakho Talita News Report FM ayisilitho. Lephimbo lizwako ngalesi sikhathi emva kombhobho alisilitho. Ukuze kube neTalita Kum News Report FM ingombana kunawe. Kuwe oqhakathekile. Ingakho ngithi kuphila ukona la uzwa khona leli phimbo. Locha akwande mlaleli. Mlaleli weTalita Kum News Report FM. Akikwamukele kodwa ke sibuya emva kokuthi sikwazise sikulotshise begodu sikutshele ukuthi lindela ukuthi namhlanje kuTalita Kum News Report FM yini esizokuphathela khona. Injalo, a brother, a colleague, a guest, a friend.
Yes.
Ile ndesingayi engakutshela yona, but it's someone who's more knowledgeable ngento eziningi zempilo, which is more associated to the Inspirational Drive Show.
Yeah.
Angimniki chance abulise. My brother.
Yes, Baba.
Kunjani?
Hayi ngimnandi 100%.
Nami ngimnandi kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngicela wazisa umlaleli ukuthi mina nginobani studio namhlanje.
I don't like formalities.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't like formalities.
Yeah.
But one thing engayisho ukuthi ngicela ukustarta with a small passage encane nje ithi being an intellectual creates a lot of questions and no answers.
Okay.
You can fill your life up with ideas and still go home lonely.
Hey.
All you really have that really matters are feelings. That's what music is to me. That is Janis Joplin.
Okay.
Yeah. So my brother I go by the name of Mrango.
Yeah.
Wakamadi.
Yeah.
And yeah. Okuningi ukuthi okay saduma ngesports.
Yeah.
But then musu uNkulunkulu makathi umuntu uyamupha ama talent akamkhetheli elilodwa umnika nje wonke.
Yeah.
Athi ndoda hamba uzabona phambili ukhahlele la ukhahlela khona ufike but mina ngizokufikisa lana wena kumele ufike khona.
Ngikuzona.
So mina I'm a man who's still finding and still searching his purpose in life.
All right.
Ngingasho njalo who's driven purpose life mina ngiloko nje kuphela bhuti wami and yeah nothing else nothing more.
Hey.
Yeah.
Mlaleli uyezwa nawo basivulela ngamanye amagama anzima. Magama kodwana akhuthazako njengoba uwazi ukuthi singaphakathi kwe-Inspirational Drive Show. I think these words have inspired someone out there. Vele egcineni nasibabantu kunemizwa uzizwa njani ngale mpilo iphilako, uzizwa njani ngalomuntu onguye, uzizwa njani ngale bhuda ngofuna ukulandelela ngoba at the end of the day we need to strive for fulfillment kunokuthi si strive for prosperity. Obe prosperity izinto ezibambekako but fulfillment baba is beyond success. Fulfillment. Ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala ke isithekeli sami njengoba naselimzwile ukuthi ngumrango kaMali. Is someone who still searching. Someone who still striving.
Yes.
Ukuthola ukuthi kahle uNkulunkulu unginikisaphi. Uthathe enye into. It's rare to find people speaking of God. Iningi isiphila according to our own understanding. We think everything lies in our own understanding. But we are touching a very much key subject. God.
Izinto eziningi ezenza ukuthi abantu abaningi bafail in life. It's not about failing itself.
Yeah.
It's about ukuthi abantu umuntu akafuni ukuba sesimweni esikhona ukuthi abe umfundisi
Okay.
naye afundiswe.
Hey.
So now umuntu ufuna ukuthi yena kube isimo nje esilula whereby asinako ukuthi siyafundisa siyakha kube yinto ukuthi yena okay mina let me have the glory because of ngidlula kule simo lesi and emangidlula kule simo lesi because of ngidlulilekiso everyone will learn from me, but it's not like that. You can't always do things and expect ukuthi wena mele waziwe and abantu mele bafunde phela. There are many ways of teaching people.
That's true.
How do we teach people? Like now, for instance, let's look at our youth, the boys. Who's looking after the boys?
And what you are raising now, kuliqiniso elipheleleko ngoba everyone is now talking about taking a girl child to work. Everyone is donating sanitary towels and various things to young girls, but no one is taking care of these young boys. Remember, the very same girls that we are uplifting kusasa kumele bathathwe babe someone else's wife. But if we only nurture the other part and leave the other part, kuyoba negap lapho.
We're imbalanced society.
Yeah.
Because njengamanje mawubheka yena lo mfana esimneglectayo expect ukuthi tomorrow abe umholi wekhaya.
Exactly.
Abe inhloko yekhaya. Uyoba inhloko yekhaya njani whereby imfundiso azikho.
Eish.
And the father figure esihlale sikhuluma ngayo ayisekho phela.
That's true.
Look,
That's true.
singababheka sibajaje abantu like let's say abelungu how they do things. Bayamthatha umntwana ahambe naye gibele naye etrekele. That guy is a farmer.
We are mentoring.
Uzomfundisa umntwana wakhe to be a farmer makakhulu. Thina kukayingakho baba wakhe kuthatha athi asambe umntwana wami ngikufundisa nawo umsebenzi. I'll train you this job. Akwenzeki. It's very rare. I think if we can have people that will talk about these topics, we can go to schools as younger as they are. Have such topics to these boys. Have a man to boy talk. Umtshela umfana ukuthi mfana ngiyakufundisa nandlela. Ukuba ubaba ukuba yini it doesn't mean umele ugrambule uphendula abazali bakho or ushaye intombazana ucabanga ukuthi
also it takes more than that. Liqiniso mlaleli, hey uyazwela Inspirational Drive Show Talitha Kum News Report FM. Hleli no Tebs asinamela uhleli nomrango eMadi. Nathi sibabantu esikuzuzako sibancane sibadala. Okwanje ake sokusela amanzi kancane sobuya nalesi sihloko kungasikade. It's a challenge. It's a challenge. It's a challenge. Mlaleli weThalitha Kum News Report FM. Angikulochise kodwa ngikwamukele. Njengoba nasabuya ukusela amanzi. Hey, siphethe isihloko esimaphorota la. Simaphorota khulu lesi sihloko namhlanje. Ngingakhambi ngedwa ngikhamba nesithekeli sami. A brother, a colleague, a friend. Umrango ngokamali. Uyamuva uyazibala lezi zinto. Uyakutshela ukuthi usomnini nguyo rehe, our own understanding iphelela la. Kodwa na understanding yaka uNkulunkulu is beyond life. So uyasho ukuthi the characters wabafana idinga the character of a man. We need to play a role ekukhuliseni labantwana babafana so that they can be better husbands, they can be better leaders, they can be better head of their households, so that they can also be mentors, they can also be fathers that they never had. Singathi ngoba thina sakhula singana bobaba kusho ukuthi ku right, sakhula nomobaba khona singaxoxisana naye kusho ukuthi ku right, akusi right. The gap that he spoke about ukuthi lo mfana ethatha inikise ngale ibanzima then uyasho ukuthi kunabomama abakhulise abantwana babodwa babakhulisile siyavuma bakwenzile lokho but then uthi will they be able to pass the baton to the next generation of which is the current generation yabantu abasha
life. Yes, these are women. They've played their character as that they stand out for both men and they play a husband and a wife
at the same time.
At the same time, they play a father
because of the hardships and the struggles that they went through.
Exactly. But now, remember, there is that balance of life. There is that balance of life whereby you need
a true character of a man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. As much as the women are stronger than men.
That's
yes,
true.
we know that. But bakhona abazali abaningi ne ngithini abantwana abaningi abakhulise bazali besimame and we are very proud of that. And labo bazali I don't dispute anything ngaloko bawenzile umsebenzi wabo and uNkulunkulu kuloko and siyabonga ukuthi baphila amandla nesisekelo. Now we need to move forward because the generation yamanje it's very dangerous yabantomazana. Mina, it's not for me where I'm sitting to judge anyone. But what I see is what I see. And what I see from the society yabantu besimame yamanje, they are spoon-fed. Most of them. Banikezwe izinto at a very young age, like you mentioned it before. Masakala the topic, from the schools. From the schools, from the church. Everyone is protecting them. Now, my point was, why we don't have the same, you understand, the same with boys. I don't have all the ideas. This is a topic that I put out there and a question that I put there for everyone. Remember now, the boy child also needs the mentorship, the mentor.
The very same mentorship that we give to girls.
Yes. Girls now are independent. And we love that. We understand that. We understand. But now, what about the boys? The boys are there at the corners. The boys are there at the parking lots. The boys are there at the parks. The boys, they have neglected umsebenzi yabo. But do we blame them? Or do we blame where they are coming from? The upbringing, the household upbringing. Yabazali abayithu. You understand? So now, ilento le manje ekumele siyenze ukuthi we talk about these topics. After talking, we put actions to those actions, to those topics. Because we can't just talk here. Because we are just here in radio, then we talk about it and then leave it there.
Mina ngingutebza ngakasinamela. Le ithabitha khumi News Report FM. Bengahambi ngedwa. Ngikhamba nomrango Madi. A friend, a brother, a colleague. My brother, your last words. Njengoba sisalvala ihlelo.
Engakusho ukuthi masimeli simadoda. Unity is very important. And unity must happen. Mele sukeni ezimeni whereby thina singasabi nama voice. And I like the topic and we shall discuss more ngezinto ezifana ngalo. For today, thanks for the opportunity. Thanks for the opportunity. May we see each other next time.
Thank you very much. Mlaleli, mina ke ngingutebza ngakasinamela ngiyilahla manje. Amazwi engikuchiya nawo ukuthi hlala wazi ukuthi whatever you do today will determine where you end up in the near future. Make sure what you do today, it's something that you will rejoice in the next coming 10 years. Nakungimyeni, Talutakum News Report FM, Inspirational Drive Show. Sali kamnandi ulaleleke mahlela amanye ayalandela. Birthday.